The Airpoint Mouse is an extraordinary and innovative device that has taken the world of computer control to new heights. With its sleek design, this revolutionary product offers a seamless and futuristic way of interacting with your computer. The Airpoint Mouse sets itself apart from conventional mice by offering both surface motion tracking and 3D motion sensing capabilities. This means you can use it as a regular desktop mouse, moving it on any flat surface with precision. Simultaneously, it transforms into a finger-worn 3D mouse, enabling you to control your computer with subtle hand movements and gestures. With an impressive operating range of up to 40 meters, making it ideal for presentations and creative tasks. Thanks to its modular design, the Airpoint Mouse is a dream come true for frequent travelers, and the long battery life, providing up to 10 hours of continuous usage, ensures that you won't have to worry about frequent recharging during your journeys.
Are you tired of spending endless hours manually scrubbing your pool or dealing with outdated cleaning methods that just don't cut it? Well, fear not, because the Aiper Seagull Pro is here to save the day. Not only is the Seagull Pro a cleaning powerhouse, but it's also got a handy carrying handle that makes it as easy to handle as a piece of cake. No more struggling with cumbersome pool cleaners, just grab and go. The Seagull Pro's front wheels are like the master navigators of the pool world. They effortlessly glide through the water, ensuring that no corner is left untouched. Say goodbye to those pesky missed spots. This robot has it all covered. But what about maintenance, you ask? No worries. The Seagull Pro's hatch design is pure genius. It opens up like a charm, granting easy access to its interior for any maintenance needs. Armed with high-quality scrubbing brushes, the Seagull Pro doesn't play around when it comes to eradicating dirt and grime. Pool floor? Check. Pool walls? Double check. This robot takes its cleaning duties very seriously. Not to mention it's completely waterproof, like a superhero that can dive up to 3 meters or 10 feet into the depths of your pool without breaking a sweat. And hold on to your sun hats because the Seagull Pro is also a speed demon when it comes to charging up. Its 70-watt motor and 9,000 mAh battery pack ensure an impressive battery life of up to 180 minutes. Plus, charging it up to full power takes only a quick 90 minutes. It offers different cleaning modes like a menu at a fancy restaurant. Wall cleaning, floor cleaning, or just let it go into automatic mode and let it do its magic. This amazing robot is your knight in shining armor, your pool fairy godmother, and your trusty poolside buddy, all rolled into one.
In a world where technology and adventure interact more and more every day, we can finally admire one of the game changers. The first all-terrain e-bike equipped with cutting-edge power station technology. This extraordinary bicycle eliminates the worry of devices or gears running out of juice on extended treks, making it the ideal companion for any adventure seeker. At the heart of this e-bike lies a powerful 960 watt-hour battery, providing a reliable energy backup wherever your adventure takes you. Coupled with its robust 750-watt brushless motor and high torque power, this e-bike offers an extensive range of riding autonomy with just a single charge of the removable battery. Equipped with adjustable suspensions, the bike ensures a smooth and comfortable ride, absorbing shocks and bumps on rough terrains. Never be disappointed with the bike's skills, thanks to its wide, durable tires that provide exceptional traction and mechanical stability. This e-bike also comes with extra solar charging panels, and thanks to the multitude of integrated ports in the power station, you can continuously charge not only the bike, but also all your other portable devices, ensuring you stay connected and powered throughout your adventure.
When it comes to exploring the great outdoors, having reliable lighting is essential to ensure a safe and enjoyable experience. The ouTASK Telescopic Lantern offers a cutting-edge solution with its super powerful lighting capabilities. Say goodbye to stumbling in the dark and embrace the confidence of a well-illuminated journey. This device boasts an impressive level of luminosity that can brighten up a larger area, providing you with a clear path even on the darkest nights. The lantern can easily stretch or collapse thanks to its telescopic structure. It collapses completely into a simple cylinder shape, making it easily portable. This lantern is ideal for hikers, campers and explorers who want to make the most of their outdoor adventures. It features a magnetic construction that adds to its versatility. The lantern may be readily attached to any metal surface, such as the hood of your vehicle, the side of your ship, or any other carrier. This feature ensures that you can work hands-free or illuminate your surroundings from different angles. Engineered to withstand various weather conditions, this lantern is both weatherproof and rugged. Whether it's rain or shine, you can rely on the ouTASK lantern to light your way through any outdoor escapade.
When it comes to home appliances, ceiling fans are a staple, providing a much-needed breeze during hot summer days and saving energy compared to air conditioners. Enter the Carro Smart Ceiling Fan, a sustainable and versatile marvel that keeps your home and adds a touch of modernity and intelligence to your living space. Whether you have a smart assistant like Alexa or Google Home, controlling the fan is a breeze with simple voice commands, and it also comes with a user-friendly built-in app for your smartphone, adjusting the wind speed, setting the light to warm or white, and even scheduling timers for operation can be effortlessly done from the palm of your hand. With its highly efficient DC motors, you will see significant savings on your energy bills, making it an environmentally responsible choice.
In this fast-paced digital age, having a reliable and versatile printer is essential for both personal and professional needs. Print X, the innovative creation of Evebot, offers an exceptional solution for all your printing requirements. This palm-sized printer not only prints in lively colors, but also enables printing on a variety of surfaces. Print X can meet any A4, A5, or A6 paper printing requirement. You can print wherever you are and whenever you want, thanks to its compact size and lightweight construction, which make this printer incredibly portable. With the possibility to print in color by utilizing paper, cardboard, fabric, or even wood, brings a new depth to your projects, which will make them more visually appealing and engaging. The beauty of Print X lies in its portability and convenience. You are no longer bound to your office or home to get your printing tasks done. With Print X, you can print from anywhere, anytime.